Hi, it's Gail the Planning Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Today for Wellness Wednesday, I want to add a recipe to my Healthy Eating Skinny Classic notebook that I'm using as a recipe planner. And look at all these different recipe and food sticker books that we have here from the Happy Planner. The Happy Hostess Mini and Classic. We have the new food book, the former food book, the recipe accessories book, the recipe book, the meal planning accessories book, and there's a recipe companion that I don't have. And check that out. How about it? Yep, I highlighted right on my surface. Oh boy. So let's take a look inside my charcuterie notebook. It is a skinny classic. It came with, let me see if I have any plain. This dot line paper, which is quite nice. I added in this recipe refill pack that I had also purchased from, this is all from the Happy Hostess Planner Girl line from the 2019 Planner Girl release. So I need a sheet. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I already created a breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack tab, and I am using this notebook as a recipe book. So this recipe is for chicken chowder. So I thought I would look through some of these books and see, I like the what's for dinner. This is pretty fairly set up so that you don't necessarily need a sticker at the top. This is a crock pot recipe. You know what? I'm going to grab this crock pot sticker. I love that I'm going to put it there. I love that it's foiled. Yeah. So this is a South Beach Phase 1 diet recipe. It does say slow cook. Should I do that again? I know that's a bit redundant, but you know what? There you go. Slow cook. Layering is always fun, I think. I was just going to see if there was any chicken or mushrooms or any kind of anything. Slow cooking. I might do the slow cooking sticker down here. I like the yellow. And that way I can write low 8 hours. This was quite good. My husband and I did like this very much. Creamy and delectable. I don't think there's anything in here right there that I need. Oh, there's another slow cooker. And that's it. Okay. So chicken chowder. And the ingredients is 1 pound of chicken, 1 celery rib, although I did add a little extra, 6 ounces of cremini mushrooms, 1 chopped onion, garlic, salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme. I must admit I didn't have any, so I left that out. 4 teaspoons of butter. Again, I left that out. 8 ounces of cream cheese. I used about 6. 1 cup of cream. And 2 cups of stock. The prep time, if you have to chop the onion, the celery, the chicken, and the mushrooms, was probably 10 to 15 minutes. But if you've already processed your vegetables, which I often do when I get them home from the store or Sunday afternoons, and you have them in containers, you just chuck everything in the crock pot. So I'll still do 10 to 15 minutes. And this is 8 hours on low. And serve, I guess 3 to 4. So there's the recipe and the directions. I want to add some frou-frou-y things to make my directions look a little more exciting. So let's see what we've got. I know I have these number stickers that I used last time. I also have these flags. I could use the bullets. Oh, here's the numbers. That's what I did before. So I have those numbers. I might set these off to the side to use. I'm pretty sure that there is nothing in this one. There's a lot of desserts in this particular book. Yeah. The new food book I'm not too familiar with. Let's check it out. They have a slow cooker. That's fun. I like the word yum. I feel like what I need is a whole book of different kinds of foods, like we see here. Realistic looking sketches and doodles of food. There's a lot of shopping list and kind of stickers that honestly I don't use. I like the meal planning stickers. Yeah. They have that soup bowl. Yum. And I like that soup bowl. It's hot soup. Just a little deco. There's not going to be a lot of directions. Oh, that just drives me crazy. Look at that. I actually did add carrot and broccoli to ours on that particular day. It was quite delectable. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I think that this is a dinner item. So back here for dinner ideas, I need to add another one. I think I'm going to use this sticky note, and I'm going to write chicken chowder. And I'm going to put in crock pot because there are nights that I have to work late, as do all of us, and it's nice to come home, scoop dinner out of the crock pot and relax, or if I have to run back to school, just go. So there we go, chicken chowder in the crock pot. And now behind it, I'm going to add that recipe. So I have it under dinner. Well, there you have it, a nice healthy recipe for a quick dinner in the crock pot for those late nights. Well, thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. On Wellness Wednesday, I will be adding some healthy recipes to this recipe notebook. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.